much better. I have a doctor's appointment on the 17th, and I'm hoping that I can take off in my trail manner on the 18th. I know. I'm really doing better. Anyway, I got the trail manners open, and I thought there was a cat there. It's a black bag. I brought this out. This is the fountain, and I've got the battery charging on it right now. And I love it, so I moved it up over here. So, since I'm doing so well, I've been packing, getting stuff ready to put in the trail manor. Gotta have that. I'm heading to the Pacific Northwest, hopefully on the 18th, and have no return date. I love doing that. So I've got my clothes going. I've got food in the kitchen sort of packed up, but I don't want to take out there yet. And food, clothes, toiletries stuff I'm kind of working on in there. I'm moving a little bit slow, but that's okay. At least I'm up and doing something that I want to do besides lay in bed and try and get well. I have to take the truck in and get the oil changed. The engine light came on yesterday. All I did was start it up to move it for my guy to mow the lawn. So I got to do something with that. Probably do a wheel alignment. I haven't done that yet since the accident where the truck got dropped off the rack when I took it in to have the oil changed. That was a mess. That was in Kansas, I think. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to start packing up and taking stuff out to the trail manor. And as things develop, I will bring you back and tell you what's going on. But I'm very excited. Yeah. I did my own exercises, and I've been, day by day, every day, I can see an improvement. I get tired, but it's not that bone-crushing, take away my breath pain anymore. I haven't had that for probably 3 or 4 days now. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Oh, and guess what? I did this part of the video with no train. So I made probably about 4 trips out to the trail manor. Just bringing like clothes and jackets. I'll bring food and bedding out as I get closer to the day I'm going to leave. So let me show you what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I just take my clothes and do like a military roll, because it really does take up less space to do that. And then I've got, what you've all seen, is this closet area where I just roll things up and put them in. Had room for a heavy jacket and a lighter jacket. So yeah, I'm getting there. There's probably some things in here that I'm gonna take out for this trip anyway. There. I'm still sore. I'm getting tired because it's like, I don't know, 5 p.m. Forgot what I was saying. This medicine. Oh, I'm going to take some stuff out of here because, well, like this little blue ice chest down here, probably not going to need it for this trip. Kind of a lot going on. This is not only just an RV trip for me. There's a family member that I may end up going and staying with while she has a surgery, and that's all I'm going to say about that. Just for her privacy and my respect for her, anyway, so I'm going to do that. And I don't need to take a whole bunch of stuff with me. Depending on how she does after the surgery, if she has to have the surgery, I'll go on up and visit my grandsons, Henry, Cash, and Gus, and my daughter Lindsay and her husband Tim. And I'll probably stay there for 3-4 days. I don't want to bug them too much as I love them. And then I'll head back. So it's to go visit my grandsons. It's close to 2 of their birthdays, so I'll visit with them. And then help out the other family member that might have some kind of surgery. And I'm going to meet up with Double Amputee RV TV. That's a mouthful. His name's Troy, and he knows a lot about solar and stuff. We've talked on the phone, and so I'm going to stop by his place and visit him for a couple of days, maybe even go camping somewhere in that area where he lives. He's looking for an RV that will fit his needs, as well as being able to haul his 3-wheeler bike that he's making. It's a specialty bike. It's crazy what he's doing, but I don't mean crazy, I mean crazy awesome. Anyway, alright, I'm going to get the rest of these clothes folded up and put away. I'm going to call it a night. Sitting here staring at the bed bug, wishing I could take it. Yeah, we'd love to take that guy, but not this trip. What do you want? Crazy thing. Alrighty, so I'm going to get my clothes folded up and put away, and probably lock this thing up. Oh, I had ants in here, but I put some stuff out, and I don't see any anymore. Yay! Excited. Alright, gotta go. See you later. Bye.